Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do the division method. Division is a fundamental arithmetic operation that helps us split a larger number, called the dividend, into smaller, equal parts. The number doing the dividing is known as the divisor. The answer we get from this process is called the quotient, telling us how many times the divisor fits into the dividend. It's a crucial skill for everyday math. Let's begin with the long division setup. First, write your dividend inside the long division symbol, and the divisor goes outside to the left. Take the first digit or two of the dividend that is greater than or equal to the divisor. Divide this section by the divisor, writing the result above. Then, multiply that result by the divisor and write it below the dividend section. Now, let's continue the process. After subtracting, bring down the next digit from the dividend to form a new number. Repeat the steps. Divide this new number by the divisor, write the quotient digit above, multiply it by the divisor, and subtract the product. Keep doing this until there are no more digits left in the dividend to bring down. The sequence of numbers you wrote on top forms your complete quotient. Sometimes, after completing all the division steps, you might have a number left over at the very end that is smaller than your divisor. This is called the remainder. It signifies that the dividend could not be divided perfectly into equal groups. You can express this by writing r followed by the leftover number, or by forming a fraction with the remainder over the divisor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.